Hi everyone, this is Ziad from Gig Productions and welcome back to this new tutorial. So we are going today to talk about your old computer speakers that you maybe forgot or put just somewhere and you don't really use them anymore. So this is what I did to use my old computer speakers with my TV here to improve the sound quality of the TV instead of buying a sound bar that maybe gonna cost me a lot of money and that also maybe not gonna give me that good experience. But sound bar is a sound bar. Sound bar can give you more maybe experience, and especially if you add to it a subwoofer and maybe a home cinema theater system that can give you maybe also Atmos or support an Atmos, and that gonna give you a whole another experience from just a speaker. I'm here just to talk about the speakers that gonna improve the sound quality of the TV. Let's continue. So as you see here, I brought just the subwoofer with the AC adapter and of course with all the cables, because in this situation I cannot just use the speaker directly to the speaker of the TV. So as you see here, the green one is for the speaker, to connect the speaker with the headphone jack in the TV. As you see here, I have two cables, it just goes directly from the subwoofer to this cable, and the link of this cable in the description below. You can just buy it. As you see, it doesn't really matter because this cable I just bought a while ago to connect my wireless recorder with the laptop, and I will put the link for this video also in the description. And you can just use it because you really don't need to have a specific two jacks for it, and it's work perfectly. The thing is, there's of course a disadvantage because the speakers maybe gonna make a lot of noise, so you really want to reduce the noise of the speakers until you don't really hear very big whoosh coming out from the speakers. And I would really like to thank the sponsor of this video today, Heldy.com. Heldy.com website or a company, a small company who sell a lot of product and also a second chance product, and that you can maybe give them a shot and see, and if you want to buy some stuff via them website.
You okay? I'm fine. Name?
Phineas Stonemas. I'm Joan. You can't give your father's enemies any ammunition.
Who's that? Don LeBain's daughter, Sophie.
A great tide of anger is rising in this city.
So that's it for today. If that helped, please leave a comment in the description below and give it that like. Thanks for watching. Peace.